Guys, welcome to this epic garage build. And if you're watching this video now, you're probably keen to see my epic garage build and the journey I went on to create an amazing space for me to do all of the things that I enjoy doing as a dad. You're officially in Dad's Garage. If you stay tuned to the end of the channel, I'll share more about the plans I've got for the content, the things I'm going to do in this space, and the kind of projects I'll be working on. For now though, let's hit to the montage and cue the music. So that was my epic garage build. Unfortunately, a lot of photographs, not quite as many videos. At the time I wasn't doing YouTube, but hopefully you get the idea, you get a flavour of the journey that I went on to build this amazing space. So more about the content I'm going to be putting out on this channel over the coming months. So this is In Dad's Garage, or officially In Dad's Garage. And In Dad's Garage channel is all about doing the kind of things that dads like to do in the garage. So we're doing some DIY builds, we'll be doing some car maintenance, some car upgrades, we'll be doing some general tinkering, lots of different things. But if you'd like to see some specific videos, then drop a comment in the comment box, give me a like and make sure you're subscribing so you can get to see some of the upcoming content they're going to be producing. Some of the keen eye viewers amongst you, you will have noticed that this isn't a white Audi TT. This grey family wagon is something a little bit more special. So we'll be doing a full video and walk around of that. There'll be quite a bit of content on this as well in terms of general upgrades, maintenance, running costs, the kind of things that are associated with, you know, the average family wagon.
Clark, you're doing 80 miles an hour.
Doesn't seem like it, does it, honey?
Slow down!
So if you like this video, I'd really appreciate if you give me a like, a comment, maybe pass a message on to your friend that there's a strange northeastern guy who's just put out a channel and he's going to be spending time in his garage. You never know, they may like it. But if you liked it, then stay tuned for more content. The next video, I'm going to do a full walk around and I'm going to show you some of my tools. I'm going to show you what's in Dad's tool chest and give you a little bit better flavour of the kind of content that we're going to be putting out and the kind of projects that we've got upcoming. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.